Hey everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. In this one, we are going to talk about how to enable or disable the table of contents for your blog post. The table of contents are auto-generated by BlogHunch using JavaScript. So whenever you put H2 or H3 tags in the article, it will get automatically converted into a list that will become the table of contents for you. Now let's head over to the dashboard. And from there, let's go to the posts. Now I have one post open at the right hand side. So this is the post called the best practices for working remotely. Now let's head over to it and we are going to edit this post. So if you notice this post, you'll see that we have an H2 tag, then a couple of H3 tags, and so on. So now if I click on the settings at the top right, you should be able to see the section where we have add table of contents. By default, it will be turned on. However, you can turn it off if you want to. So I'm turning it off for now and click on update. And once that is updated, let's head over to this, click refresh, and there should be no table of contents for this article. So you see there is no table of contents at the left-hand side. Now let's get back and we are going to edit the same post. And this time we are going to leave it to true. Or we are going to set it to yes. So once this is done, click on update. And this is all updated now. Let's head over to this, hit refresh, and here, see. So the table of contents got added at the left-hand side. This is the H2, and under the H2, we have a couple of H3s. So all of these are clickable. So if you click on any of it, it will scroll down to that particular section. And we have smooth scroll enabled, so it will have smooth feel when you scroll through all the table of content items. So this is how easily you can turn on and off your table of contents for any of your article.